right, let's get it. In today's video, we're going to be showing another example of 830 play coming from ICT Concepts, directly coming from ICT's YouTube channel, 2022 Mentorship. Again, we start our day at 8 o'clock looking for our 15-minute buy side and sell side previous to 8 o'clock. We're going to mark off our first 15-minute buy side, first 15-minute sell side. Come back to the left, we mark out our second 15-minute sell side level, swing low. Our second 15-minute buy side level, which is the bottom of this 15-minute fair value gap. So now we have our level set. Let's come down, look at it on the 5 until one of those get hit. We're just sitting, watching, and waiting. Patience and discipline. Waiting on our textbook play. This is not part of the rules that I'm giving. I'm trying to keep it simple, but this buy side level right here, this minor buy side being taken is important. And we also went into a 5 and 15-minute gap here. Very important. But as of now, that's outside of the simplicity of this setup. I'll talk about this another day also, but this 5-minute market structure shift to continue to the downside, very important. I took this trade, by the way. All right, we have first sell side hit. Now we can start rubbing your hands together, man. We got a setup. We got action. Second buy side level hit. Let's come down to the 1 minute. Let's wait for our trigger and our entry. Trigger. We have a market structure shift right here. We've been selling down, creating lower lows, lower highs. And now we have a shift. We have a high, minor buy side swept. We see a shift with these down closed candles, up closed candles. Violated this. These kind of down closed candles. And then we have our up closed candles that close above this order block. So now we have a trigger. Let's put a fill on this little expansion. Anything below 50%, this order block. And now we have a 1 minute gap also. Perfect. We got a setup now. We got something now. All right, now we have our entry. We got our entry model. We got everything we need. Now let's find a target. Let's come back to this high. This high that was created after 8 o'clock. It's a nice target. Where are we trying to enter from? We're trying to enter from this order block. Below 50%. Measure your target. That's 194 points. Man, what's the risk? 36 points. So why I stopped to try to play MNQ? So we're going to take this trade in micros. 2 contracts. Let's continue. Perfect. Right here is where we enter. We let our candles come back and retrace. Let's move this up. Our expansion, our retrace 50%. 50% comes back to our order block, comes back to our entry level. This is replay, so it's not perfect. Let's go back one candle. Since it's replay, we'll have to enter on this candle. Buy 2. Stop loss below this low. Take profit at the high. Buy side liquidity now. Keep in mind that we're prior to 9:30. When the market opens and we'll get a rush of volatility injection that will send price higher or lower. But this is our 8:30 setup. We have to trust it and let it play out. Now I can say this. This is a target. The negative 0.5 on the Fib. It's a great target. We have minor buy side liquidity here. Have minor buy side liquidity at this wick here. And another one here. And if you look at the Fibs, the negative 0.5, great first target. If you want the one-to-one move, buy side here, it's a great target. 2R move, 3R really. We have buy side here, and our ultimate target, -3. $9.30, and we're up $500. 2 micros, mind you. Target filled. Target filled. That's the setup. That's the 8:30 play. With your entry here at 9:17, your exit 9:39, 194 points. Insane day. 9:39 in the morning, we're done. 2 micros. Shut down the computer, journal your trades. That's it. Now let me show you where I actually took this trade. And I came out with 295 because I let mine off early. Let me show you what I saw. From 9:14. Let's play it. First entry here. I got in a little high, but I got in based off of this 1 minute fair value gap. $9.17 here, like I showed you on TradingView. Here's the best entry. We came back below 50%, inside of the gap, tap this order block, 917, best entry. And I took this trade with 2 micros, by the way. First entry at 18,887, second entry at 18,870. This here, this is my first exit. This is a safe exit. Right before 9:30, because 9:30 can, that volatility, you never know what might happen, man. Our play might work out, it might not work out. Like it's never 100%. The play is the play, but it's never 100%. So right before 9:30, I sold 1 contract. Right here at 9:29.57. Right before 9:30, I let one off and let the other one ride to play out. Right here, I'm already up $300. 2 micros, 9:30 in the morning. I saw this order block here. That could have potentially gave us some hesitation to get to the target. And I was already up at this point, 18,981. I entered at 18,87. I'm already up over 100 points. So I took profit. No problem in that. No problem in that at all. But as we already know from the first video, if I would have just waited 8 more minutes, I would have hit my target. Would have had to deal with this. And that's the target. That's the 8:30 play. Again, the third one this week. I wasn't able to do one yesterday because yesterday was kind of finicky. I just didn't like it. But as of Monday, Tuesday, and today being Thursday, the 8:30 play. Here it is. All right, that's it for this one, man. That's all I'm gonna show right now. I'll give a little more details into it in later videos, but we're just gonna keep it simple. That's the 8:30 play. Step by step, textbook play, and it works on 1 or more instruments. I'll say that. I don't like it on NQ every day, but on 1 or more instruments, NQ, ES, YM, gold, CL, crude oil, every day, every week, you're going to see this setup, and it doesn't stop.